Charged with a gun offense in Chicago? One mistake could cost you your freedom and your future. But here's the truth most people don't know. Not all gun cases are treated the same in Cook County. If you're searching for a Chicago gun lawyer, you're likely facing serious charges like unlawful use of a weapon, aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, or even an armed habitual criminal charge in Cook County, Illinois. In this video, I'm breaking down what you're really facing, the biggest mistakes people make, and how a Chicago gun defense attorney can fight these charges. In Chicago and throughout Cook County, the most common gun charges include unlawful use of a weapon, aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, felon in possession of a weapon, and armed habitual criminal charges. Real-life example. Someone gets pulled over for a traffic stop in Chicago. Police find a firearm in the glove compartment, but no valid FOID card. That alone can trigger a criminal case. Gun charges in Illinois are not minor offenses. Many are felonies, which can result in possible prison time, a permanent criminal record, and loss of gun rights forever. Think of it like this. A single decision, like transporting a firearm incorrectly, can follow you for the rest of your life. A skilled Chicago gun lawyer looks at every angle of your case, including illegal search and seizure. Did police violate your rights? Lack of knowledge or possession. Improper traffic stop. FOID or licensing defenses. Example: if police searched your car without a legal reason, the entire case could be thrown out. Gun cases in Cook County are handled differently depending on location. Chicago Layton Criminal Courthouse, Rolling Meadows, Skokie, Bridgeview, Markham, Maywood. Each courthouse and each prosecutor approaches gun cases differently. That's why local experience matters. Here are the biggest mistakes people make after a gun arrest in Chicago. Talking to the police without a lawyer. Posting about the case on social media. Assuming the case is minor. Waiting too long to hire a defense attorney. Reality: the earlier you act, the stronger your defense. A dedicated Chicago gun lawyer can challenge the evidence, negotiate reduced charges, fight for dismissal, protect your future. Bottom line, this isn't just about a case, it's about your record, your rights, and your life. If you or someone you know is facing a gun charge in Chicago or Cook County, don't wait. Click the link below to learn more. Call now for a consultation and make sure to subscribe for more legal insights on criminal defense in Chicago. For a free, confidential consultation and evaluation of your case, contact the law offices of Mitch Furman today.